Welcome to the Ercolina tooling setup video. Today we are setting up for an 1.5" tube with a .065 wall. Start by loosening the handle on the clamp box assembly, then push it out of the way. Screw in the mandrel head. Use 2 wrenches to get it snugged up tight. For the pressure die, place your spacer into the slot and secure it down with a screw. Next, insert your pressure die into the spacer and secure it with a screw as well. Moving to the clamp die, slide your spacer directly into the dovetail. Then insert the clamp die into the spacer. For the wiper die, insert the die into the dovetail on the wiper die holder and screw it down tight to hold it in place. From there, swing the wiper die assembly so it sits parallel with the mandrel. Next, put your center former on the head. Make sure the key on the bottom clicks completely into place. Loosen the screws on top of the wiper die assembly and slide it right into position. If you want a full explanation of these specific adjustments and the exact positioning, check out the video linked in the description below. Once you are completed, tighten down the wiper die assembly. Finally, mount the tie bar accessory like this. Your tooling for the Erco Bender 65 is now complete. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out the other clips in our Erco Bender virtual tour collection.